Hi, my name's Joe Luther. I'm a Hideout brand manager here at Keystone RV. And today I want to take you through one of our new and exciting floor plans, our 292 MLS. Some of the great features to start off with it is something that we have exclusive. A central vacuum system with a 30-foot hose. So you can keep your RV clean throughout. That's an exclusive feature for in the fifth wheel category. Also, if you look at, you have huge countertop space here. Solid pressed countertops. Look at the amount of countertop space. People are always wanting countertop space. You can't get any more as you get on our 292 MLS. Also, you have the single bowl farm sink with the sprayer. Nice feature, nice setup to complement your countertops. We didn't stop there. If you look at all the storage that you have in this model, it is amazing. If you look at for plates, food, everything, tons of storage and kitchen countertop space. Moving on, you have a pantry next to your refrigerator, so that kitchen storage didn't stop there. You've got even more. Let's move over to our dinette. If you look at, we have a do more table, 3 functions in one. This dinette you can use to sit and dine with, or you can fold it down into a bed, or if you want to take it outside underneath your awning for your entertainment pleasure, it has that function also. Now moving into the living room area here. Comfortable theater seating that reclines with cup holders, which is nice, across from a 50-inch TV. For your viewing pleasure, you don't have to look to the left, look to the right, 50-inch TV right across from you. Along with Jensen brand name stereo components that we put in our Hideout product. Moving on, you got a nice place for a sofa. Let's step up into the bedroom bathroom area. If you look at our bathrooms, one thing that we do at Hideout, we have porcelain toilets versus plastic, so no stink and no stain. Looking in our shower area, nice sit down area, nice big shower with glass doors. Bathrooms have enough room in a Hideout and are very convenient. Moving into our bedroom area, this is why in the 35 and under price category, we've been able to maintain the Hideout brand. You've got nice storage next to the bed there, but also if you look at, you've got a nice wardrobe storage over to the right. So you've got really 3 big storage areas for a wardrobe and a nice place to mount your TV and more drawers for your clothes. Let's move on to the outside. You have a rear kitchen with an outdoor camp kitchen. Also, we've got an observation camera prep for you, as you can see up there. Power awning with LED lights for your camping pleasure. Then also, our underbelly is enclosed. Also, as you can see, it has aluminum wheels, power rear stabilizer jacks, and wow, look at this, huge pass-through storage. Now that you've seen the interior and exterior features of our 292 MLS Hideout fifth wheel, I invite you to go see one of our local dealers and find out the true excitement and enjoy your camping experience.